Hello kabayan, this is Tina of Exosia Properties and welcome to another episode of our open house tour here at Imus, Cavite. Before we begin our open house tour for today, kabayan, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button para lagi kayong updated sa upcoming pa nating house tour videos. House specification, kabayan, lot area is 128 square meter and the total developed area is 169.44 square meter. Sa location po ng property natin ay along Aguinaldo Highway lamang and the subdivision is the Park Place Village near SNR. So as you can see kabayan, we have a customized house number, a doorbell, a mailbox. Dito tayo papasok sa ating pedestrian gate. Now, as we enter, ayan, meron tayong mga pocket gardens, right and left. So dito sa ating car garage kabayan, kasya po dito ang dalawang sasakyan and this is a single attached unit kaya meron po tayong setback dito sa ating left side. And now, let's have an entrance dito sa ating main door. And as you can see, ang flooring po dito ay naka-tiles and this is the accent of the wall. As we enter here sa ating main entrance door, this is a solid wood kabayan. And as you can see, naka-keypad lock na rin po ito. And at the same time, meron ding key lock ang ating main door. So as we enter here, ang mag-welcome sa atin ay mga shelves. So pwede niyong pagpatungan ng kung ano-ano nga mga accent yan, ano. And then the floor tiles used here is 60 by 60 granite tiles. And I'm walking here sa ating living area. So dito sa side na to is an open layout actually. And then you can put here your dining area. Dito sa ating dining area, may access ito papunta sa ating lanay. Dito sa ating sliding door access, meron tayong sliding net. Ayan. And then, ito po ang ating access sliding door going here sa ating lanay. Before tayo pumunta sa ating lanay area, let's proceed here first dito sa ating kitchen area. So, dito sa ating kitchen area, kasama po ang ating fixtures. And then, the granite tiles na ginamit sa ating kitchen countertop with tiles accent here sa side. So, ito po ang ating mga cabinets. And then, this is an open space where we can put our range hood. And then, kasama na ang ating overhead and under cabinets. On my back is our access door going sa ating service area. So, we will check out that later. Let's proceed first dito sa ating bedroom 1. Dito sa ground floor, a suite with toilet and bath. Here, as you can see, meron ding sliding window na may net. Course. And then, meron din ditong cabinet na included, built-in. So, let's check this toilet and bath. Ano? Malaki ito para sa ating ground floor toilet and bath. So, kasama ang mga fixtures, may mirror, and merong handheld shower. So, here, let's go here sa ating lanay area. So, ang ating lanay area, may half covered yan. Pero this one is open. So, naka-fence na rin tayo dito, kabayan. Naka-wall, naka-concrete wall na rin ang ating fence. And then, may mga paabang na tayo dyan. And of course, meron tayong free water tank. So, free water tank capacity is 1,000 liters. So, moving on, dun sa kaninang nasa likuran ko na service door, ito po yan. So, this is the service area. And ito yung kaninang door. Kung saan nasa likuran ko yan, kitchen area side. Walking here straight ahead, this is the car garage, yung kanina naman na pinasok natin, no? At the entrance of the... our features at the ground floor. Now, let's proceed sa ating second floor. But before that, pakita ko lang itong side na to kasi meron pa tayong open space dito. And as we move on, our stairways are made up of solid wood, which is called a pitong. So, ayan. Even the handles, solid wood din yan. So, here sa side na to, pag akyat mo, may malaki tayong fixed window dito, no? And on the side naman, ayan, kung napansin nyo kanina, meron din dyang malaking fixed window. So, the purpose of that, of course, is for the natural lighting na may pumasok sa ating tahanan, syempre. Total bedrooms here sa ating second floor, 2 bedrooms. So, we have a total of 3 bedrooms, isa sa baba, 2 sa taas. So, we have right and left bedroom. So, here at the left bedroom, ayan, kasya dito hanggang queen size bed. The windows, an awning window. Also the same with that one. Okay? So meron man tayong mga outlets dyan. And of course, kasama ang ating built-in cabinet. But hindi po ganito ang kaniyang deliverable. Maayos po ang pag-deliver yan. As of the moment kasi, kinakonstruct pa itong part na to. Pero ang maganda dito is meron siyang sariling toilet and bath. So, ito ang kanyang own toilet and bath of the bedroom number 1 here sa ating second floor. Of course, and suite, meron itong handheld shower. From the bedroom 1, punta tayo dito sa ating bedroom number 2. As we enter, we can see na nandito ang kanyang toilet and bath. So, the toilet and bath is of course floor to ceiling and tiles and fixtures are included. Here is the built-in closet para sa bedroom na ito. So, ganito ang finish niyan actually, kabayan. Kasi yung kanina nakita nyo na hindi pa fully constructed yung built-in closet sa kabila, ganito rin po ang pag-turnover niyan. And then on this side is the vanity area na may drawer. Okay? And then ang ating window, may awning window, naka-awning window din. So, malaki po itong bedroom 2. Then, this one, ayan, makikita nyo, this is the provision para sa ating aircon. Ayan, katukin natin. Kasi andito ang saksakan. Kabayan, ikaw ay naghahanap ng house and lot na ready for occupancy at complete turnover dito sa Imus, Cavite, very near sa mga establishments along Aguinaldo Highway, and then 3 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms sa taas, 1 bedroom sa baba. I think this property is best for you. So if you have more questions about this property, my details is at the back or nasa description po ng video na ito. Again, this is Ting Yop of Exosia Properties, kabayan. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel para lagi kayong updated sa upcoming pa nating house tour videos. Thank you for watching!